Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Workspace for LinkedIn productivity setup detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with registering for Google Workspace, open your web browser. Type in Google Workspace in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official link to Google Workspace in the search results. On the Google Workspace homepage, select the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your business name. Fill in the required fields, including the number of employees. Next, select your business's location from the drop-down menu. Click Next to proceed. You will be asked to provide an existing email address. If you don't have one, you can choose to create a new email during this process. Once you've entered your email, click Next. Now, create a strong password for your Google Workspace account. Confirm your password and select Next. You will now need to set up your domain. If you already have a domain, enter it here. If not, you can choose to purchase a new domain. Click Next after entering your domain information. Google will then verify your domain ownership. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification. Once verified, you'll proceed to create user accounts. Add the email address and name for each user in your organization. After entering the user details, click Next. You may now choose your Google Workspace plan. Review the available options and select the plan that suits your needs. Proceed by entering your payment information. After entering the details, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your registration. Log in to your Google Workspace admin console. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This will be your central hub for managing your Google Workspace setup. Next, navigate to the Users section to add and manage team members. For LinkedIn productivity, integrate Google Workspace with your LinkedIn account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.